Alrighty, well, thanks very much. We appreciate you very much being here today. This is going to be hopefully a lot of fun. I'd like to welcome you to this episode of the Lunar Surface Science Workshop Series. We're going to be here today to talk about the candidate Artemis 3 landing sites. On behalf of my co-chair, Dr. Petro, I'd like to welcome you all to today's festivities and just say we're very glad that you're here. I'd like to say thank you to Service Central for all their hard work supporting the meeting, bringing lovely artwork, and of course, Ricky's amazing job as being our showrunner today. We'd like to say thank you to US Area Meeting Services for getting the agenda out. We do have a code of conduct, which was clearly posted on the meeting website, and which you all agreed to by registering for the meeting. We do have a set of expected behaviors today. This is a working meeting where we are going to create a safe and inclusive and welcoming environment for everyone at all times. So please be professional, please be courteous, be respectful, and be open-minded. I'd like to thank our scientific organizing committee, which did a great job of helping us put together a fantastic program today. I'd also like to thank our volunteers from NextGen, who are going to be acting as knowledge capture agents today for the meeting today and tomorrow. Okay, so it's been really great the last couple of months, the last 6 months. A lot of the things that have been previously just seen in renders are starting to become real. We had a very successful Artemis 1 mission, and then yesterday, of course, we announced the Artemis 2 mission, first crewed mission to the moon in over 50 years. So this is getting real. I think I'm slowly, like many of you, I started out with very much like, oh, here we go again, Lucy in the football. But it's happening, and it's real, and so that's why we're here today. So what we'd like to get out of this workshop is to have a productive and hopefully fun discussion about the scientific and exploration value of the 13 candidate regions of interest that are presently being contemplated for the Artemis 3 mission. Your inputs over the next few days are important, and they will be incredibly useful to NASA as we start down the path of detailed mission design for Artemis 3. The inputs, from this workshop are going to be summarized and reported both internally and externally later this year. And please rest assured this material will be used by NASA and by the CASA as an input to its deliberations. So what you say and what you do here does actually matter. Okay, so today's agenda, obviously we have a welcome, which I just did, but we also have some other talks to sort of set the stage, and then we'll describe the foundation. LRO, Scouting the Next Frontier. As an LRO plank holder, it's been immensely gratifying to see this mission perform exactly as it was designed to do, to help pave the way for the next generation of American exploration. And we'll talk about regional trends for the Artemis South Polar Exploration Zone, things that touch all the landing sites. And then this afternoon, I'm very excited about this session, even though field science, like geology and planetary science, will benefit. If you read the Lunar Exploration Roadmap, and I have, you will see that science on and from the moon is every bit as important as the field science we intend to do on lunar missions. And so I'm looking forward to those talks. Finally, we'll close out today by discussing mineralogy and chronology in the Artemis South Polar Exploration Zone. So it's going to be a very exciting talk today. A very exciting session today. A lot of very interesting talks.